The Borno State Government has trained 2,970 residents affected by years of insurgency into various vocational skills as part of efforts to restore livelihood and promote economic recovery. The beneficiaries, drawn from different communities across the state, underwent intensive training in 9 vocational fields during a program held in Maiduguri. The initiative is designed to equip victims of the prolonged crisis with practical skills that will enable them to rebuild their lives with dignity and self-reliance. For over a decade, communities in Borno State have endured devastating attacks marked by loss of lives, destruction of homes, displacement, and disruption of social and economic activities. Thousands of families were forced into internally displaced persons camp after losing their sources of income, farmlands, businesses, and loved ones. It is against this backdrop that the state government swung into action with a comprehensive empowerment program aimed at restoring hope and providing sustainable means of livelihood for those most affected. Among the beneficiaries is Musa Babakura, who lost his right leg in a bomb blast that also claimed the lives of his entire family. Left physically challenged and emotionally devastated, Musa struggled to find meaning and direction in life. Through the state government's training initiative, he has now acquired a vocational skill that enables him to earn a living and gradually rebuild his life.
I lost my leg during a bomb blast in Maiduguri. The explosion severely injured my left leg and claimed the life of all my family members. Since that day, life has been extremely difficult for me. However, I thank Allah for His mercy and for using the Borno State Government under Governor Babagana Zulum to restore hope in my life. Through the training program, I have acquired vocational skills. Today, I can work with my hands and earn a living for myself. I deeply regret my past involvement with the insurgents. The conflict brought pain and destruction to many families, including mine. After surrendering, I was given the opportunity to undergo rehabilitation, and now this vocational training. I have learned that violence only destroys life, but skill and hard work can rebuild them. I am grateful for the second chance.
Another beneficiary, Yagana Mohammed, who is physically challenged, previously survived on arms and struggled daily to meet basic needs. Following her participation in the program, she now possesses a skill that provides her with an opportunity for financial independence and a new sense of purpose.
Life was very challenging for me. Before this training, I had no means of livelihood and depended on arms to survive. It was not easy to provide basic needs, but now, after acquiring this skill, I can now support myself and contribute to my family's upkeep. I was adopted during an attack in my community, and I lived in fear for a long time before I managed to escape. Returning home was not easy because I had nothing and felt uncertain about the future. This training has changed my life. I now have a skill that gives me hope and ability to stand on my own. I'm thankful for the support that has helped me begin again.
Speaking at the event, the governor of Borno State reaffirmed his administration's commitment to empowering victims of insurgency, noting that sustainable peace must be supported by economic opportunities. He emphasized that the training program is not only about skills acquisition, but about restoring dignity, confidence, and long-term stability to affected families.
We remain mindful of the devastating effects of insurgency in our communities, which disrupted livelihoods, increased unemployment, and exposed many young people to uncertainty and hardship. It became imperative for government to implement sustainable interventions aimed at restoring dignity, creating opportunities, and rebuilding productive capacity among our people. In response, the Borno State Government established 5 big vocational enterprise institutes located in Mona, Mafa, Biu, Shani, and Babagana. In addition, we have reactivated 9 vocational training centers and 3 second chance skills entrepreneurship schools dedicated to women and girls.
The vocational program of nearly 3,000 residents marks another step in Borno State's journey from conflict to recovery as survivors of insurgency begin to rewrite their stories through resilience, opportunity, and renewed hope. Solomon Josiah reporting for HR Anchor.